Hey guys, welcome back. In last videos, we have showed you how to install a hypervisor on the Windows or macOS operating system, the VirtualBox. Then we created a virtual machine on the VirtualBox, on which we then installed the Ubuntu desktop. In this video, we plan to install the GNU assembler or GAS. But before we do that, we will firstly have a look at the terminal and some very commonly used Linux commands. Let's get started. We are now already the Ubuntu desktop. First question, what is a terminal? We can start a terminal by right-click and then click the very bottom button on the context menu. Then a terminal window will pop up. Or you press Ctrl+Alt+T at the same time, then a terminal will pop up as well. You probably will see the same background color as this one, but you can always change it. Right-click and then press the preferences. You will see some options. We click the color, tick off the use colors from system here. You can choose any option. I prefer the black on white, so I just choose this one, then close the window. Here it is. You see this cursor which is flashing. It's waiting us to input some commands. So we try the first command, pwd, which is short for print working dictionary. And then the terminal tells us the current working dictionary is /home/Jesse. So that's the default dictionary for the user. We try another one now, say list. We can see it gives us a couple of folders name. So desktop, downloads, etc. If we try cd title and then press the enter, we didn't see anything as we are still on the same folder. The title will take us to the default dictionary of the current user. Now we try this cd two dots. You can see the promotion before the cursor changes to /home, so which is actually the parent dictionary of the current user's folder. If we try another one, the cd/ will bring us to the top folder, which is the root dictionary. So if we press the list, we can see many dictionaries. That's all of dictionaries available under the root dictionary. Let's go back to our default folder, and then we can list again. We see desktop downloads. If we input cd desktop, so every time if you want to change it to some dictionary, you can just key in the first several letters, then press table. You will see a full folder name. You press enter, then we get into the desktop folder. So we try something new. Say if we key in make dir, which is short for make a new dictionary. So we try test 1. And then at the same time, you see on the desktop, a new folder test1 has been created. So it is same as you do the thing with the graphical interface. Say new folder test2. Oh, test2. Then we can see another folder on the desktop. So it's the same thing. We see 2 folders are listed. We now can change our dictionary into one of these, and then we try another command, touch t1.txt. So if we go into the task1 folder, if we open the folder, we can see there is already a t1.txt file. So we touch t2 to create another one. We can see another one is already created. So we try move t1.txt to t3.txt. We can see the t1 disappear and a new file has been created. And then if you think there are too many things on the terminal, you can use clear to get rid of all of them. If we want to go back to the parent folder, we can key in cd 2 dots. Then we go to the parent folder desktop again. Actually, there is a program called tree, which can list the dictionary in a tree structure. So let's try this one. Tree. Oh, it comes back with the command tree not found, so we have to install it. Also, it gives us some promos how to install. So we try the second one, the sudo apt install tree. The first one we need to try is we don't use the sudo. We see what happens. The apt install tree. So apt is short for advanced package tree. So using this program, we can manage many packages or programs. So we hit enter, then it says couldn't open log file, and then you are not a root user. So we just put the sudo in front. Sudo here is short for the super user do. So this user has all the rights. Then sudo apt install tree. Key in your password. Then it is installing. It has finished, so we try this command tree. We can see it lists us all the dictionaries under the desktop dictionary, like a tree structure. You can see there are two folders, test1, test2, and under test1 there are t2.txt and t3.txt. Or you can open your browser, search the most used Linux commands and follow some of the tutorials. If you would like, you can try this one, the tutorials. Okay, next is to see the GNU assembler, the GES. If we go to the website, we can see the GNU assembler is actually part of the Binutils. The Binutils are a collection of binary trees, and the main ones are the GNU assembler and the GNU linker. We will talk about the linker shortly in this course. By now, we go back to our terminal, and we clear all of this stuff. We input the S version, and we can see the GNU assembler GES actually has been already installed with the Ubuntu. Now the GES has renamed to S. Okay, great. That's all of this video. In the next video, we are going to see how to use the GNU assembler to translate our first assembler program into the machine code. See you in the next video.